Cut out all the pieces flush with the printed part. A 1/4 inch seam allowance is included. Make sure to mark the notches. Copy the template for the crest onto the felt and cut it out. Place the crest onto the dinosaur's head between the notches and stitch at 1/8 inch. Place the other side of the dinosaur on top, right sides together, matching the notches. Pin all around, then stitch from one notch to the other at 1/4 inch from the edge. Then turn right sides out. Put the front and back of each arm right sides together, matching the notches. Stitch from one notch to the other at 1/4 inch from the edge. Clip the curves, then turn the arms right side out. Using a seam ripper, cut the cross to make a small hole. Take the 2 smallest joint pieces and put one inside each arm, passing the stem through the hole. Stuff the arm, making sure that the joint stays flat against the fabric, and then close with some small hand stitches. Repeat these steps for the legs, making sure to put together one top leg and one bottom leg. Clip the curves, turn inside out, and insert the joint. Make the holes at the small crosses on the body of the dinosaur. Insert the stem of the arm joint through this hole. Take the brown washer and thread onto the stem inside the body. Thread the white washer on top of it and press really hard until you hear it click. Pressing down onto a table gives you more force for this step. Repeat these steps for the legs using the larger washers. For the padding, start with the head and the tail. Don't hesitate to push hard. Using a chopstick or an old paintbrush to push the padding in will help you here. It's important to use lots of padding and really push it in to have a compact shape. This dinosaur contains around 250 grams or half a pound of polyester padding. Once fully stuffed, you can close the opening with some hand stitches. And there you go. All that remains is to say hello to your new friend, a lovable dinosaur who will quickly become a child's best friend. An original and easy kit even for beginners. Find him and his brothers on our online store.